So we're gonna head back to the bikes and head down the hill.
Go
What's
to
that?
that one over there and look in.
I ain't about to go down there. This is the observatory, Lick Observatory on top of Mt.Hamilton in California. Down there is San Jose on top of the mountain. I'll give you a shot of what the hill looked like. But watch this shot here. You're in the Bay Area. I am telling you. You gotta come see this. This is spectacular. You too need to come see this. I don't know if the camera gonna pick up these roads, but we came up all these twisty roads here, and then we got to go back down here in order to get back to civilization. Boots and jeans riders, baby. And this is Mt.Hamilton, named after Laurentine Hamilton. That's him. Ooh, got an echo. Ooh, they even have this shape like one of the domes. Gotta catch back up with the group. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob? Rich. This is our YouTube channel. So you're gonna be on YouTube in about 3 weeks.
Oh boy.
Yeah, Bob rode up from Concord, everywhere we was in. Oh yeah. Got to get some water.
That's like if you're passing somebody, you turn those on.
Yeah.
That's usually what I get.
So you come to California, you want to hang with Boots and Jeans riders, be ready to ride. You see me with the sun all in the way.
You see me now?
You can see me now.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? Good, FGR. And we rolling today. So like I said, you're in the Bay Area, Northern California. You want to roll with us, let us know. If you like twisted roads, we got it. If you like straight roads, we got it. Like scenic roads and highways, we got it. If you like the ocean, oh yeah, we got that too. See y'all in a bit. Bye, y'all. And the day has come to an end. We're going to get us some lunch here at the local French restaurant called Denise. And then we have probably about a 60-mile ride back home. That's it. So we're going to close it up right here. It's Rich from Boots and Jeans Riders. Rich from GWR 8 signing off.
Okay.
You know she had
Signing
to come
off.
get in.
Yep, I sure did.
Ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
Ride safe.
peace.
Peace. Yeah.